Hey guys, welcome back. This is John with Buster's Garage Door here, and we've gone and hooked up the Genie screwdriver, and this is a Series 2 unit. This is the antenna, so that's what you would see dangling. All the motors have one somewhere, unless they're like super fancy and try to hide it. A lot of times the color of the antenna will indicate the frequency. Change a light bulb here. And basically there's little tabs. Boom. It says 60 watts max. If you want to even one up the thing, you could put in LEDs. And I know a lot of guys in their garage need the light. Moving on down, you can see this is why they call it a screwdriver. So, before I said that this was a Series 2 unit. And that refers to the travel limits on it. Right, so Series 2 is these magnetic ones right here. And so you'll see that this unit is a little bit more electronic. The old school will just have a little analog flipper, and that flipper would pretty much set off a circuit. So on this is the whole pull cord assembly. So if the door wouldn't open if the power was out, preferably you could just pull this and it unlocks the mechanism. This baby right here. And what it is this lever is connected to a bunch of teeth inside of this. Anyway, so in addition to having those teeth, it also has this here, and there's a magnet in there. As this passes along, this magnet meets the sensor. That would set off a signal to the logic board inside of here, and it would tell that to stop moving. Okay, so this is an example of the old school Series 1 control, or the travel limit for the Series 1 logic board and Series 1 unit. A lot of people with the older Genie screwdrivers will see this hanging down, and then it actually gets activated just by the trolley hitting it. Boop. So once you do that, it sets off this little switch right here. And then here's more evidence. And as a homeowner, you might go to take this off the wall to remount it, and then you'll turn it over. You'll see a message like this: use only with Series 2 controls. So that's actually for this one, for the magnetic one. A lot of the Series 1 units just have the simple doorbell. And that would look something like this. It may not be exactly this one, but, just something simpler. This is basically the pull rope that you're seeing attached to the unit, something like this. So these are the teeth. I didn't set up much lighting. Boom. So that's something that could get damaged if you run the door with broken springs, or the door gets jammed and then the motor just keeps on yanking. This Buster just chilling out. Buster. But so basically it kind of goes like that. Boom. So imagine that, and this one is from a different model. This is from the Series 1. That's why you could tell that there's no magnet on it. Oh, baby. Connect that lever. Oh! Psych! Just kidding. Please like and subscribe.